Today I'm going to introduce the newest addition to our PumpWave Pump Control series. We have the PumpWave Press and the PumpWave Classic. These are designed to be used with most of your domestic and residential pumps. They both offer constant flow and dry run protection. The PumpWave Classic comes with an integrated pressure gauge, as well as an adjustable start pressure from 1.5 to 2.5 bar. That can be adjusted simply by turning the adjustable switch here with a flathead screwdriver. The PumpWave Press, on the other hand, comes with LED indicators, and the starting pressure is set at 1.5 bar. The PumpWave Press has both male top and bottom inlet and outlet connections. It's 1-inch BSP connections. And on the Classic, we have a 1-inch BSP male inlet with a 1-inch BSP female outlet. Both of the devices are pre-wired with an IP65 gland, you can see here and here, and they both have a small reservoir of water that ensures that there are no small draw pump starts. The packaging you can see here, we have nice printed graphics on the box. We have barcodes so that it's retail friendly. We have all the specification details here. So some of the key specs are the 60-degree maximum temperature rating, as well as the 10-bar maximum pressure rating. These devices can be used and are compatible with power supplies from 110 volt to 260 volt, both 50 and 60 hertz. And we have, in addition to the specification detail, we have some additional product information here. So if this is on a retail shelf in a store, the end user, the customer, can come along and basically get all the information about the device from the packaging. They are CE certified, and all the materials are safe for drinking water applications. If you're interested in one of these devices, please contact your GWS representative. And remember, these devices are always backed by the best customer service in the industry. So get one today.